Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel with another tutorial that how can you make your presentation so fantastic. So just see this. Is not it interesting? You can make your title slide like this in just 2 or 3 minutes. So just now learn how. So first of all, go to insert, new slide, blank slide. Go to insert, shapes and select the shape rectangle, triangle and draw the triangle like this. Set it according to your own choice. You can make it smaller too. Okay. Now just Control C and Control V and copy paste this triangle here and rotate it. Rotate it like that. Okay. And set the triangle. You can see I make 3 triangle here and set it according to the in that scenario. Now select your first triangle, you right click and go on the format shape. And before going to the format shape, must save your pictures. I hereby go on the Google Chrome and simply copy the image. You can also save your picture. Go on the picture or texture fill. If your picture in your desktop, then go with insert. And if it is copy or paste, then simply click on the clipboard. Picture or texture fill and clipboard. You can see this picture is rotating here. So there is an option downward. Rotate with the shape. So click on that and this picture will be like that. Similarly, select your picture here too. You can see I paste 3 pictures according to my choice. You can paste pictures according to your title. Now what to do next? Go to insert, go to text box. Double click on that. There will be a text box. Go on that and select a different font. For example, I select here Algerian. Go to the side and make it broader like 80. Okay. And here give your title. I hereby put title slide. Close it. Go upward. Select your text box and make it wider. I set my title here. So after that, just select your text. No, like that. And change its color. For example, I hereby go with red color to make it more brighter. Okay. Now just put it here. Go to insert. Go again text box and set your second text box. You can see I type here presenter name. Then I go to the insert, go to the shapes and select here a line and I underline the presenter name with 2 lines to make my slide more beautiful. Okay. After after all of these things, just select your both of slides and both of slides. One slide should be empty like that and one slide look be like that. Then select both of your slide at a time with control and click. Go to the transition and select the morph transition. Not only a morph transition, then go back, select 3 pictures at a time, control, select and control select. And here is an option in the animation fly in. Go with the fly in and increase its duration with 1.25 seconds so that it comes slowly. Okay. Then go on that and click on float in. Go on presenter box. Again click on float in and select your both lines at a time. go also with floating. Okay, now see. Through this, you can make your title slide so fascinating. For more tutorials, stay tuned with my channel and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.